welcome back to 843 TV at the TCL Culinary Institute. And now we're in the beautiful cafe. We're with Jackie Orak, in charge of bakery and culinary arts. And what a wonderful thing you get to do.
It is actually one of the best jobs I could say in the world. And right now we're standing in the Clist Cafe. That is Culinary, our student-based operated. We are not in full summer session right now. We start back up in the fall, but right now you see all these beautiful baked goods that are available to the public. We are open Tuesday through Thursday, 9 to 3. And right now you see my department. We have a culinary intern that's working here, as well as we have a culinary graduate that has taken over and started a job here with us. So running daily, baking fresh, and I can say I'm responsible for a lot of this, as well as mentoring and guiding them. And then I would say starting late July, we will be turning more into a cafe, not just a bakery concept. We've just gotten in some brand new equipment, doing paninis, soups, and everything like that. So the concept, I think, is growing as our program continues to grow.
Sounds wonderful. So it truly is a hands-on program where the kids are baking, they're learning, and they're selling it.
Selling it to the public, yes. Everything that you see in here is sanitary. It comes through the chef's approval before it is over here. So again, they also take a class and they work in here at the cafe as well, so they understand guest concerns, complaints, understanding allergies, because it's not just always about making the product, because as a chef now you have to be personable, you have to get out there and talk and understand your product and answer guest needs.
Great stuff. So let's talk about the courses that you offer and how they work and enrollment, those kind of things.
Yeah, so for the baking and pastry program, it has actually taken off. Our enrollment is up, I would say at least 30–40%. It's the new thing, as you can see what we do here. We're actually revising our curriculum and working towards ACF accreditation, which is the American Culinary Accreditation, so that when they walk out of here, they will have initial certification, as well as a degree, as well as multiple certificates as well. So we're working, changing and making it a better program for our students, as well as our partners in the community, so they're more well prepared.
So summer, you do offer classes. We're kind of in the middle of them right now.
We are teaching hospitality sanitation, which is one of our core prerequisite courses, because of course you have to learn how to prepare safe food and keep it safe for our customers before you actually dive into the kitchen and make it. And then we have a full swing program starting in the fall, starting with intro to baking a pastry. One of the cakes that you potentially will see here, carrot cake, we have intro to cakes, advanced cakes. We have a full banging program starting at August 16th.
Well, I want to just comment how beautiful it looks here.
Oh,
it's so professional, and it truly is like a real bake shop, which it is one.
Absolutely.
Yes, and it looks wonderful.
We do occasionally take some specialty orders if we're able to, but literally the menu changes daily. It's really based upon the curriculum that we're teaching.
Let's talk about the curriculum a little bit more. Intro to baking, obviously starting point. What other courses are part of this?
We offer artisan breads, baking pastry capstone, where you put everything together as if you're running a full restaurant concept or a bakery. Plated desserts, we have laminated doughs and pastries, where they'll be making croissants and danishes, all of those wonderful products that you will see here beginning early in the fall.
That's great. And how about your enrollment? Can you give us an idea of how many spaces you have? What's your numbers looking like?
Right now, I would say for students, we're about 120 or so. We have minimal room for right now for the fall, but as people continue to enroll, we are adding classes as we need them. So definitely come on in and apply.
What is the length of the courses that you have?
The courses last, so we try to do it, because most of our students work full-time. So we do 7-week sessions. So they come to school for 2 days a week, 5 hours a day, so 10 hours a week per lab class. For our lecture classes are about 3 hours a day, so 6 hours a week.
So it's the program itself at TCL is a 2-year program?
It is a 2-year program, depending upon, we try to encourage our students to school year-round, but they really take it according to their schedules. So I always try to ask our students, do what you can, because obviously if you overload on classes, it's not that good when you obviously don't do well. So we want them to be able to work-life balance, so they get the best of both worlds.
Well, I think it's wonderful here. I'm glad to come back. We were here a while ago
Yeah.
and to see the improvements, and we encourage you all out there to come in, visit the cafe, and I'm sure that Jackie will welcome that for you all. So
absolutely.
Yes, thank you for sharing, and we're going to be right back with more 843 TV.